Hi friends, so today let's see how to install Eclipse on your Windows machine. To install Eclipse, first we have to download Eclipse. For that I'll go to uh, the Google Chrome and here I'll search for Eclipse download. Here you can click the first link and click on install your favorite desktop IDE. Click on download, so it will give you two options. You can based on your machine configuration. So in my machine, to know the machine configuration, go to like this PC and here go to properties. Here you can see the system type is 64-bit. When it is 64-bit, you have to select 64-bit here, 86 64. Click on this and click download. So it's going to download. You can see here download is started, so we have to wait until the download is complete. Once the download is completed, you can go to your Windows Explorer. Here go to the downloads. Here you can see there is one file is downloaded with the name Eclipse. Double click on it. Once you double click, it will start the installation. And here it will give you this pop-up, and here you can select the second option, Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java, and click on install. It will install uh, Eclipse in our machine. So it's going to take for some time. We have to wait, and here we can see like it is going to install in this folder, and this is the Java version it is going to use. Once you see the screen with launch button is highlighted and it is completely loaded with green color, you can read that the installation is success, and you can click on it to open the Eclipse. Yes. So once you click on that, you will get a screen like this. Here we are going to create a workspace in this folder, and you can click on launch. So after installation, you are launching the Eclipse for the first time. It's going to look something like this. It's still launching. It's going to take some time as it is the first time. So it will going to create uh, the setup for us, and it will be ready for coding. So this is it has launched the Eclipse. So here we can see Microsoft Defender exclusion check. So here we can just see like what is happening here and click on take the respective action. Microsoft Windows Defender is active and that could significantly decrease the startup and overall performance of Eclipse IDE. Okay, let's exclude this because as it is going to reduce the performance of IDE, I don't want that to happen. So I click on proceed. I'm going to exclude this Eclipse IDE from being scanned to improve performance. Yeah, I don't want it to scan my Eclipse. So it has launched the Eclipse. So here you can see uh, it is okay. What is this version? I don't want and click okay. Yes. Click on hide. So here, if you want to go through like what is Eclipse and more details like what how to configure some setting, create a new Java web project, uh, check out projects in from Git. So all these things I'll be covering in my future videos. So please follow my videos. Click on hide here for now. So now Eclipse is installed successfully, and now you can create your Maven project, Java project, any of these projects. So creating a project and working uh, in Eclipse after creating your projects and all, I'll be covering in the next video. So uh, please subscribe and click on bell icon to keep get updated on my latest videos and follow. And there is a WhatsApp channel as well, so where you can join my WhatsApp channel using for this number. Okay, you can WhatsApp me and you can join our regular for any regular updates I'll be posting in the WhatsApp group as well. So you can message to this channel to join our Automation Academy. Thank you. So I'll be hope you.